Hello everyone, we are from True Maths and in this video we are going to solve question based on coins. Here is the question. It is given that in a simultaneous toss of two coins you have to find the probability of getting exactly one head, at most one head or at least one head. So here first of all you need to understand the language, and then you must know, if you want to find the probability of an event, there is a formula for that the probability of an event is basically equals to favorable outcomes is divided by total number of outcomes. Now first of all, we must know what are the total number of outcomes here, or you can say the sample space for this particular question. If two coins are tossed simultaneously, in that case, in the first, one head will come, and in the second, tail might come, and tail in the first and head in the second might come, and there is third possibility that in both the cases tail might come, and in fourth, in both the coins, head might come. So these are the possible outcomes here. So this is known as sample space. Now these are the total number of outcomes. In the first case, you have to find the probability for exactly one head. Exactly means you must have one head in that case. So here, if you want to find the probability for this first case, the favorable outcomes are this and this, because this cannot be included here, because when we are saying about exactly means we must have only one head in that favorable outcome. So there are two favorable outcomes here where only exactly one head is present. So here the favorable outcomes are 2 and the total number of outcomes are 4. So if I cancel this, so the probability of exactly one head will be equals to 1 by 2 for first case. Now let's solve for this second case. First of all, let me explain you what does at most means and what does at least means. At most means maximum and at least means minimum. So here you need to find the probability of maximum one head. So here this is the first case where one head is there. This is the second case where one head is there, and this is the third case. This cannot be included here because here in this case it is given that maximum one head should be there, but here there are two heads. So this sample space cannot be included in favorable outcomes. So only we'll use these three outcomes as favorable outcomes. So for this case, probability of at most one head will be equals to, here the favorable outcomes are 3 and the total number of outcomes here are 4. So this is the probability for this first case. Now if you want to find the probability of at least one head, so at least is basically minimum one head. So in this case, if I consider this outcome, here there is one head, here also there is one head, and here also there is minimum one head present. But this cannot be included as favorable outcome because in this outcome there is no head present. So we can say that there are three favorable outcomes when we have to find out the probability for minimum at least one head. So here the probability for at least one head again will be equals to favorable outcomes are 3. In this case also there is at least one head. Here also there is one head, and here also there is one head. So here the favorable outcomes are 3 and the total number of outcomes are 4. So this is the probability for at least having one head. So this is how you can solve the question based on coins. Language is important for this question. If you are able to understand the language, the question will be very easy for you. In the next video, we'll solve the question based on dice. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. And if you have any problem in maths, you can directly contact to us. The phone number, the email address and the WhatsApp number is given below in the description here. Thank you.